Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. The easiest way for your instrument to suffer damage is simply for it to be in the wrong place at the wrong time. In this tutorial, we will explore sensible ways to keep your favorite axe out of harm's way. The very safest place for your guitar to be when not in use is in a hard case. There's very little chance of something happening to your guitar inside of a hard case. The next safe place that you can put your guitar is in a wall hanger. The good thing about having your guitar in a wall hanger is that you will see it. And if you see it, you're more likely to play it. The next best place is a guitar stand. It's not likely that your guitar is going to get damaged sitting in a guitar stand. If you don't happen to have a guitar case, a guitar hanger, or a guitar stand, the next best place is to put your guitar in a corner. It's going to be unlikely to fall if the headstock is in a corner. Never place your guitar against a flat surface, whether it be a wall, a chair, or anything else of the like, because it can fall over and break the neck. We hope that these handy tips will help you to keep your guitar out of the accident zone. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.